Walcott Radio began in 1986. It was actually founded by my father. I've been doing this for 26 years. It was really built out of the necessity to provide CB radios for the American truck driver. We're right off of Interstate 80. Here we are almost 40 years later doing the same thing. Our customers have been almost entirely truck drivers. It's been the foundation for our industry, for really everything that we do. We have since expanded. We are now offering services for farming, off-road, businesses, any sort of two-way communication needs. We are now facilitating that for, but our core is still American truck drivers. So we do something that I think most people aren't able to do and haven't been able to do. We highly value college educations and people who actually know what they're doing. You actually get hands-on experienced technicians who are experts in their field. We have specific radio solutions, like the Stryker radios, for example, specifically the 447 that'll fit in pretty much any vehicle that you can imagine. Or there's a variety of Ranger, Texas Ranger, and President radios that all seem to really do a great job and actually install very easily in modern trucks. So there's a lot of custom sort of solutions that are required to make these things work, and we know what's going to actually do the job and make the whole thing go together. We decided to open a warehouse that was specifically designed to get orders processed and shipped out as quickly as possible within the last 5 years. That was necessary because we were bursting at the seams in our retail store. Now that we have our retail store that's been here for almost 40 years and we've got a warehouse that's been operational for some time, what that really boils down to is people can still walk in, talk to us, we can still have a conversation in person, or we now have an entire operation set up to get the same equipment, the same level of service delivered to you as quickly as possible. It makes me happy to know that in spite of what might happen in the world, we are allowing people to communicate in a network-free sort of way. If the grid goes down, we are providing equipment that allows you to still talk to people and communicate to loved ones no matter what. And I think that's why radios are really going to be important from now until forever.